Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the digital calendar clock from the company Raynic. I wanted to show you everything it comes with and then we will power it on and see what it looks like when it's up and running. Just really quick, you've got an instruction manual here. It shouldn't be too complicated. We'll go through some of the setup. It comes with a wall USB brick as well as a USB cable. You've got one end that's USB and then you've got another end that has a small circular end. And then other than that, all you really get is some mounting hardware. Wanted to show you, you've got a few different ways to mount this. You've got this piece that has a little lip here. They also give you these really small nails. And when you look at this piece, you'll see some little holes, 6 little holes on it, where basically you can nail this into a wall. And then on the back of your frame, you've got this little indentation where you can simply sit it on this mounting bracket. So that's one way that you can mount it. If you don't want to put nails in the wall, they also give you some 3M tape that you could put on the back of this piece. If you didn't want to mount it on the wall, they also give you this plastic arm. The arm's really simple. You've got a square here. You're simply going to tilt it down a little bit, just slide it in, and then you're going to push it up until you hear it click. And you can sit your clock up like that as well. So I'm not going to go through all the setup, but I did want to show you the back of it. All of your buttons are basically back here on the back, and they are nicely labeled, so it makes it a whole lot easier when you're doing your settings. They've got all of the settings right here in the instruction manual. Don't get confused. You'll see this little tab here. It does take a CR1005 battery, but all the battery does is it acts as a backup. In the event that there's a power outage, it'll keep your time and your settings, but you're going to need power in order to key your other features. So again, the battery is just a backup feature. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull this. Whenever you get it, you're going to want to pull this tab. That's what activates the battery. There was one more thing that I failed to mention that I thought I would let you know, because I found it to be a nice bonus, is you have 2 USB ports back here on the back. If you're needing to plug something else into it and charge it, you've got those extra ports that are available for charging. Alright, so I wanted to give you a look at what it looks like once you've got it powered on. I should mention that that battery backup, if the power was to go out, this will all turn off. So you won't see anything running, but it will keep all of your settings and your time for you. So that's what the battery backup does. Should also mention you've got a dimming option. You got this button up top here. If you click it, you can adjust your brightness. So let me go to the lowest. There's the lowest. I don't even know if you can see that. It's really light. And then the brightest. I gotta give this company a lot of credit. The settings are extremely easy. You have an independent button for things like your 12 or 24 hour format. So if you want to put it in 12-hour format, simply flip this over. Same thing with your Celsius or Fahrenheit. If you want it in Celsius, you just move the switch over. Any of your settings, whether it's your alarm, I should mention you've got 3 different alarm options on this as well, or your time, you'll have a button here for hour. All you do is you press that, and then you use the up or down button to adjust your hour, and then click OK when you're done. You do the same thing for year, same thing for month, day, minute, and daylight savings time adjustment. You just click any one of them that you want to adjust, use the up or down button to adjust it, and then click OK once you're done. So it is extremely easy to use. And it looks great. No frills or anything like that. Just basic information that's easy to see. As always, I hope the video helped, gives you an idea of what the Raynic digital calendar clock looks like. Thanks for watching.